What's up, guys? So today I'm out in the woods. I had a big case of cabin fever. Wanted to get outside. It is a beautiful day. It's fall time. It's a little chilly, but nice sweatshirt weather. Anyway, the topic of today's video is folder or fixed blade. Now, as I mentioned before many times over the years, is that I'm definitely a folder guy. 99 out of 100 times I'm using a folding knife just because I prefer it for convenience. I could take it anywhere. I don't really get any looks or anything. When it comes to fixed blades, it's usually in this setting. When I'm out in the woods, enjoying myself, maybe a camp setting or something like that, I don't generally carry fixed blades, in urban environments or stores, stuff like that. I have before, but generally smaller ones. So I'm just curious what you guys carry. Do you carry fixed blades out with you at the store? If so, what kinds? And also just in general, I know some people just happen to like fixed blades a lot more than folders. So I'd love to hear what kind of knives you carry, what kind of knives you use, and in what situations. Anyway, that's it for now. Just taking a quick little breather in between doing some testing. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.